Did you know that just 20 minutes of gymnastics-inspired movement can deliver the same functional fitness benefits as a full hour of traditional workouts? Let me show you why. Today's busy athletes are discovering the hidden power of gymnastics fundamentals. By incorporating basic gymnastics movements like handstands, planks, and hollow body holds, athletes are unlocking remarkable improvements in their core strength and overall mobility. These compound exercises engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing efficiency for those with packed schedules. The secret lies in the precise body control gymnastics demands. CrossFit communities have already embraced this approach, combining gymnastics elements with high-intensity intervals. Studies show that athletes who integrate just 3 gymnastics-based exercises into their routine experience a 40% increase in functional strength within 8 weeks. Ready to transform your fitness routine with gymnastics? Share your favorite bodyweight exercise in the comments below, and let's build strength together.